How much voltage does a 6700K need to feed a 3080? With the BIOS on auto, except for XMP, this is what it does stock. It's not great. So I've given it a pretty reasonable air overclock. It probably didn't need this much voltage, but we're not here to find out how efficient it can be. It's time for less air and more voltage. I did plan on doing direct to die, but I don't have a contact frame, so that will have to do. Who the f put this on? Yeah, that's probably too much Vaseline, but I'd rather be cleaning Vaseline off than hunting down another Z270 hero. I won't show every BIOS setting because that would be bloody boring. So here's where it started from, and then where the extra voltage takes it. .7 helped, 5 helped a little bit more, but now we're getting into diminishing returns, so I'm done with the benchmarks. So now I'm just going to keep adding more voltage and more clock until it doesn't post anymore. It's a shame 5.3 didn't boot. With all the crazy shit I do in here, this was the most fun I've had making a video in a while. Who says there's no point in overclocking anymore?